Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is, we should hire plumbers. The real story. So here we are at the Little House in the Ghetto, and we are working on plumbing in a whole new room for a bathtub, a new shower, and trying to work with what I'm going to call Frankenstein, which is the monster of plumbing that we already have. So here we have wall that has been removed. There's Will. Say hi. 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 There's Wall. And this is Shauna over here. Where are you? Hey. So there's new bathtub. Hold on just a second. There's new bathtub that will go in once Wall and things are deconstructed. So here is Frankenstein, you see. This is drain pipe. This is vent pipe and all sorts of floor that has not seen the light of day for at least 50 years. This is wall that has obviously been repaired a number of times.
That wall used to look like this on both sides.
Yeah.
That's how much we've torn down.
Yeah. So it's been quite an experience. There's the hole where the toilet used to go. Look how gross that floor is. And behind your toilet. Yuck. Yuck. So, Will, tell us what we've done.
Well, you see, I was outside working on something else, and I messed up. Thank God. Because I came in here, and they had this contraption built all the way up to here, and there was no way we were going to be able to fix it. So, what has happened is, these two pipes are connected together for some reason. We think because this is an air vent flow pipe. So if that's the case, then this doesn't really matter for the drain, because all it's doing is getting air into the drain. So we've put a clean out in here for the next time a big wig clog gets into the drain.
Wig! Wig!
We put a clean out in here, and then we had to run through this truss and run over here, and this is the drain pipe that will come from a shower that goes here and the bathtub.
And that all still needs braced, by the way, which is why it's a little wobbly. It all still needs braced.
All still needs braced, and we're building a foot platform here, so that's why it's okay if it's up like this. And then we just had to make sure these two were connected here with this giant iron contraption that had about, it is a 2-inch pipe. It had about that much, no joke, sludge in it.
It was 3/4 of the way full on both sides. I don't know why the drain was draining so slow.
Right. So, they just have to be connected. So we connected them via this way because we're going to build a foot platform here, and that's basically it. Do it yourself. We're cheap and we're poor.
I would recommend having someone else do it. So, we've got this far. This is another installment of Home Improvement at the Little House in the Ghetto. We'll keep you posted as we get the shower and tub room done. And thanks for watching. I'm Tration.
I'm Will Reed. Bye.